It is decorating day. This video is going to be all about our living room makeover. We are just painting and adding our own stamp on it with paint. Hey Maurice! There's loads that we want to do to this room, but we are not organised enough to do it all in this video, I don't think. But I'll show you the before and what we're working with. So this is our lovely living room. It's a really nice size. It has these gorgeous original floorboards and a lovely brick wall with a fireplace. These shelves came with the property and we do quite like them. Like, they definitely have the kind of industrial vibe that we like, but we are firstly not sure about having books up there. Like, we've tried a couple of different ways and it's just not doing us, like, it isn't visually pleasing to us. Our sofa is on this wall and we just think it's a bit bare, so we're going to be painting today. I ordered some Lick samples, so this is going to be the new colour of our walls. It is Lick Grey 07. I'm really hoping that will make the colour of the sofa pop. I think that would be really nice. And then for the ceiling woodwork and the other walls, we're going for Lick White 02. It's kind of a nice grey based white. And we had a huge crack down here that we've done our first ever bit of DIY on. This is a crack, it's huge, and we're currently in the process of making it bigger so then we can fill it. This wall, yeah, it's so gross, it needs a bit of a clean as well. We need to sand this down before we start painting today. And yeah, we're kind of undecided whether to take that grey all the way around into the second part of the room or to just do the white on this side. Plan today is paint this wall dark and this bit white. See what we think. If we think we could take it, like if we think it isn't too dark, we might end up doing the whole room grey. So excited. We are getting there. The room is masking taped up. The cracks have been sandpapered down and this is our grey. I'm so excited.
Good thing no time at all. Direction.
Oh, that's me done. I think it's going to feel so nice and homely.
Yeah, it'd be nice because we've done it as well.
Yeah. Okay, we have finished painting that wall. Oh my god, I love it. It's still drying, but I really like the colour so far. And I think the sofa next to it is just gonna look super cool. We've decided to just go all in and carry the colour around to the bookshelf. So we're gonna pull up that tape and we're gonna continue the colour around to here and see what we think. And if we like that, I think we're gonna just carry it on through the whole room. Okay, update. We have taken it round. Love, love, love. Painted behind the radiator, which was a right pain. This is what it's looking like. And I just had a call with my friend who's an interior designer. She said paint above the picture rail and the picture rail. She said it's gonna make our room look much higher and bigger. Seems a bit weird because surely you'd think it would be the opposite, like it'd make it look a lot, because it's a dark colour, it'd make it look smaller and more imposing, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna try it on this bit and see what we think, but I do trust her. And then you know what, we're totally gonna end up doing the whole room. We totally are. We can always change it, but yeah, it's a nice colour. So we've just had a quick tea break. It is now, oh no, I need to get this out of my hair. I got it in my hair, I forgot about that. I hope it doesn't ruin my new haircut. Yeah, we've been going at it for how long? Since like 10. We have decided to just paint the entire room. I knew this would happen. I really love how this is looking. I love the colour. I think it looks so homely. And once we get the sofa in and loads of greenery and a neon sign, I think, yeah, this entire room will look awesome. So yeah, we're going to work on painting all of this now. And we're using the white colour around the, what is that called? the cornice and any of the woodwork skirting board. After that really long day, I cooked dinner. I made us burgers. Oh, it looks so good. I can't believe after like an 8-hour day of painting that I made that.
I'm so impressed.
That is pretty good. Hey guys, it is a couple of days since we decorated this room and I could not be more obsessed. We both keep just walking into this room being like, we love it, cannot spend enough time in here. So I'm going to be giving you some before and afters now, showing you what the room looks like. I think the last time I updated you, I said that we were going to do the whole room, but I didn't actually show us finishing off or putting anything back together. But yeah, we've had a little rearrange. This room still isn't finished. We have some other plans which I can talk you through now, but yeah, for now it is like perfect. I'm so chuffed with it. So this was the wall that we started off painting, and this was going to kind of be the feature wall. We tried it and it looked good, but like the colour definitely isn't as dark as I was scared that it was going to be, so we definitely thought we could get away with doing the entire room. And I was right about the sofa kind of just popping against that kind of grey. The colour on this camera isn't doing it justice. It's a really nice dark kind of green toned matte grey. It kind of looks a bit truer to life here, but yeah, with like a warm glowy lamp in the corner, gives that really beautiful colour up the walls. And we definitely want to get some more really nice feature warm glowy lamps for this room. So I'm going to stand back here and inch you into the room. I just think green plants next to this wall, it just looks so freaking cool. So yeah, we want a lot more greenery. We have the sofa, we took it around, and then we have rearranged the shelves and put this awesome neon light up there, which just really brings everything together. On the skirting boards, I put white O2, and also we need to just finish off the cornices and the ceiling we haven't yet painted. That is something we need to do, but we didn't have time to at the weekend. But yeah, we've had a little jig around of the bookshelves. My dad upcycled this awesome vintage radio for us, so he's got an Amazon Alexa in there, which is so cool. I just think this is awesome, and I also really love how the kind of grey really makes the brickwork and the floor stand out. Taking it around, and then this is the other side of the room. We really didn't know whether to paint this kind of bit here. We thought we might divide the room up a little bit too much, but it actually looks really cool. And here are the other shelves, and what I really like about this part of the room now is the terracotta and the green of the plants. Got another neon light up there that we haven't got a plug socket to plug in yet, so that's maybe something we can do soon as well. And then we absolutely just love this wall now. We really didn't know what to do with it when we first moved in here, but I love the colour of this wall so much, so that we're thinking gallery wall. So we'll get some really nice prints and frames for up here. And we have moved our little bar cart shelving unit there, which definitely still needs a bit of a tidy and an organised. This amazing matte mirror here, I always get questions about. I got it from the range about 7 or 8 years ago, so it's super old now, but yeah, it's got a map of the world on it, and I just think it is the coolest thing ever. So this is going to be going on this wall above for the sofa, and I really think that would just add a whole load of light into the room and kind of give that wall a little bit more something. We did think about having another gallery wall there, but this space has got quite a lot going on already, so yeah, I think just a simple mirror. We're also going to be getting, I think my friend suggested, a nice round mirror for this wall here to bounce the light off as well. And this corner is now our little reading nook, aka Maurice's favourite space. So we can sit here on the chaise and read a book, have a drink from the bar cart, and get some more frames or a mirror up here. The other things we want to do to this room is maybe get a built-in bookshelf along this wall. I'm kind of being inspired by Kate Levy's arched bookshelf. Sorry, that's my hot water bottle flying over. Yeah, some arched like bookshelves going on here. Maybe there's some built-in cupboards underneath it, because we don't have a bookshelf now, and I just think that would be so cozy. We are still not sure what to do about this chair. I absolutely love it, but it's so big and bulky, and we didn't really think the purchase through. We got drunk at an antique store in Dalston, and just, it was a big impulse buy. But I do love it, and I do think it stands out against the grey. Along with the built-in bookshelf, we were also thinking about getting a shit ton of plants. I want this whole house to be filled with plants, so we're going to get some that hang from the ceiling. I'd love like a live plant wall. Probably not a real one, because the amount of maintenance it needs is a lot, but like a realistic fake looking one, maybe alongside up here maybe, or if we don't do the bookshelves, along here. Again, another lamp to really make that space nice and cozy, a neon sign, yeah, and then loads of plants and books. When we first viewed this house, I did think this space could be quite nice as a dining room. Like if we wanted, we could have put a rectangle dining table there and like a couple of benches. But I actually like the dining table in the kitchen. It's big enough to have it, and I like looking out the garden when we're eating. So yeah, I do really like this space. It's a kind of nice reading nook, and I think just filled with plants and lamps and neon signs, that would be nice. These light fixtures came with the house as well, so I don't really have any thoughts on them. I guess they go kind of nice with the wall now, but like maybe I would be open to having a look at something else that could suit better. I'm actually a little bit sad because I don't think this colour of the wall is coming off as beautifully as it is in real life. Okay, I've changed my camera settings to hopefully try and show you the colour a bit better. Also, it's so weird because it looks kind of patchy on camera, but in real life it's so smooth. And yeah, just really even. Yeah, I think on camera now is definitely more a more accurate representation. I do love the colour of the white against the blue. It just looks really nice and clean. You can also see it up there, nice and fresh. There are a couple of bits we do still need to touch up. I can see a little white scuff there, I think from when we put the shelves back on. And then there's also a little bit I missed under here, which was really annoying me. Yeah, that little white bit there that I missed. But that, yeah, those are things that's fine, we can still do that. Oh, I just love this view now so much. I'm just so surprised that now, despite it being a really dark colour, it doesn't feel dark or dingy at all. It's just so warm and comforting and cosy. I'm so glad we took the colour above the picture rail, because it makes the room look so much taller instead of kind of dividing it. And I just love it. So let's look at some before and afters. On my Instagram, I'm going to be posting a reel of our before and after, and I'm also going to be doing a couple of grid posts with before and after pictures side by side. So if you prefer to look at your before and afters in pictures, do go and check that out. I will leave a link to my Instagram in the description box. I will also leave a link to Lick paints down below. We did like one coat of this. It could probably do with another, but to the eye it looks perfect. As I said, there are a couple of things we still need to touch up, but yeah, I was very impressed with how quickly and smooth the paint went on. Also, I had 2 tins of this grey colour, and we've still got like half a tin left even after doing all of this room. So yeah, a little has gone a very long way. I think the white might take a little bit more because it's obviously a white, more kind of a pale colour, so it might need more build up. but I'm using Lick to do my office also, and that'll be the next little project. So stay tuned, because we are doing up each room in this house, and if there's any kind of furniture bits that you like in here, do let me know, because I can leave a link to that down below too. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Lots of love.